Good morning to all. We are at the last and final unit animal biotechnology. On that, two topics for over. Those are the mainly. So we are completed DNA technology, recombinant DNA technology, and so methods of transgenesis also completed. So in our previous class, today we want to discuss about our the third topic in your final unit. So those are last and final topic that was today we want to discuss about the production of transgenic animals. So the production of transgenic animals, how to produce the transgenic animals and what are the steps involved inside the transgenic animals. So the methods involved inside is a mechanism of transgenesis. So first what is mean by transgenesis and a transgene. So that is a transgenesis and a transgene was totally, it was nothing about the foreign DNA was inserted into the another organism to prepare a particular another organism, the bonded character organism was going to be produced with the help of these mechanism of transgenesis. The transgene, introduction of a transgene, trans means so transmission of the gene, transgene. So transgenesis, the mechanism was totally considered as a transgenesis. You know very well why the total topic of transgenesis mechanism, why, because the transgenesis was already you studied well in your the topic of biotechnology, but it is also still in our syllabus. That's why. So we are going to discuss this topic. That was totally about the production of transgenic animals, how they are going to be formed, how they are going to be produced. So mainly, so what are the steps involved inside the production of transgenic animals? Totally two steps are involved and two processes are involved in these. The first mechanism was micro injection method. And embryonic stem cell method. Totally two processes are included in this micro injection method and embryonic stem cell method. In these so production of transgenic animals, how they are going to be formed and how they are going to be produced, and after completion of this the applications in transgenic animals is there, and stem cell so the stem cell therapy, stem cells and applications is another stem cell last topic. Totally two topics are left. And so today's our topic that was totally about the production of transgenic animals by the mainly two types. Those are the micro injection method, and another one is also there, that was the embryonic stem cell method. So at the time of the micro injection method, so it these micro injection method it was mainly involved inside the So in these mechanisms, it was a mouse was formed, it was a transgenic mouse or any other organism. Was a mouse, transgenic mouse was formed or produced cells. So in these mechanisms, first what happens is a pronucleus. And the method of injection. Through the insertion of the injection, that was a transgene. Means so before fertilization, before occurring of the fertilization, before the fusion of embryonic, that was the sperm cell with the ova, what happens is that the transgene was developed. Those developed transgene was with the help of so a particular restriction endonucleases, the wanted characters gene that was going to be cut, so mainly at the specific sites, specific nucleotide sequences. So at there the collected DNA so was those transgene was mainly inserted with the help of injection method. So with the help of micro injection method, that should be possessed a small needle, very small needle. With the help of through that micro injection method, so there's the female, so before fusion of a female pronucleus with the male pronucleus, that was nothing but a sperm cell with the ova. First what happens is the organism was collected, the female organism was collected and super ovulated. So those ova, so inside the ova of the particular organism, the sperm cell was introduced. Before the introduced of a sperm cell into that particular organism, so those nuclear material of the particular sperm cell was going to be transmitted. Means the transgene, which was a wanted characters gene, means so those growth factor or any other disease resistance or any other for the drug resistance, and so these type of one, and for the production of a specific quantity of a protein, and a production of a quantity of milk, and a production of that was a quality of wool. So such a type of so characters are there, so developed those are want to develop so which type of characters on the particular organism. So those are characters gene, means those transgenic the specific DNA sequence was able to collected and inserted into the with the help of a needle micro injection method, and that was inserted into the that was the ova of the female organism. And then what happens is so at that time what happens is so finally the help of micro injection, see this, so at the time of development of the ova, the polar body is also formed, but that was helpful for so perfect fusion of the sperm cell with the ova. After the fusion of a sperm cell with the ova, the polar body was got degenerated. So before occurring of this process, it was a male pronucleus with the female pronucleus. The micro injection method, the means the transgene was inserted. So see here. So by the fusion of a male pronucleus with the female pronucleus, by the fusion of this, immediately the zygote was formed. The zygote undergoes number of the divisions. Those are the 2 cell, 4 cell. So finally, the blastocyst was formed. See this. It was a blastocyst stage, and these are the blastomeres. These were the blastomeres, and it was a trophoblast. It considers as a trophoblast cell. So it was totally the blastomeres. It was the blastocyst stage. See this. These stage was inserted into the furtherly, that was a foster mother totally, and on those mother the transgenic mouse was formed. The transgenic mouse was produced by the method of microinjection method. So before fusion of male and female pronucleus forms up with the ova, the nucleus was transmitted. That was with the help of microinjection. The transgene was inserted into the nucleus by the effect of the after completion of that only the fusion of sperm cell and the ova was occurred, and by the effect of the the bonded characters zygote was formed, that was completed to the conversion of further divisions are occurred on those zygote and undergoes the blastocyst, means 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell, 16 cell, 32 that is considered as a blastula. After completion of that was converted into a blastocyst stage, means cells are move on to a specific area and the remaining area cavity is formed. See this. So the cells are grouped together in the one area and the remaining area cavity was formed. So in blastocoel is formed. Furtherly it was converted to blastocoel and that was mainly formation of the mainly that was coelom. It was able to form the coelom. Furtherly the further development of the was occurred. So those blastocyst stage was inserted into the other mother and so that was considered as a middle, means a moderate mother, foster mother. So the transgene was a transgenic mouse was produced finally by the effect of these microinjection method and it was a human growth factor. The growth factor was inserted into the as a transgene into the blasto, that was a polynuclear stage. Finally, the transgenic mouse was formed finally and it was completely variated from their parents. Why? Because it was very larger than their parents. So why? Because we wanted to develop the character of a growth factor. So that's why the growth which was in a short period of time very much of growth was observed inside these transgenic mouse as their parents. So that is the importance of transgenic method and so it should be completed. That was about the micro injection method and another type is also there. Say this. Another one is again is blastocyst stage. The second one is the embryonic stem cell method. Means the main variation between these two is a microinjection method was performed before fusion of a sperm cell with the ova, and embryonic stem cell was after a fusion of sperm cell with the ova, after formation of the embryo only this method was performed. That is the main variation between these two. Microinjection method was mainly performed before a fusion of sperm cell with the ova, and the embryonic stem cell was performed after the formation of the ova. See this. So after got a fusion of sperm cell with the ova inside the mother, what happens is inside that was the zygote was formed finally. See this. So the sperm cell with the ova, the fusion of this, the zygote was formed. It was the zygote. The zygote undergoes a division. See this. 2 cell, 4 cell, so 8 cell stage and so it was a 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell and 16 cell. Finally it was converted into a rounded ball like structure. See this. Rounded ball like structure is formed. It was converted as a blastula stage. Blastula stage. Furtherly, it was converted as a blastocyst. Blastocoel is formed in these, so that was a blastopore. A pore cavity is also formed. The blastopore was firstly formed as an anal region. That was considered as a, it was a coelom is also there, the body cavity. So the cavity was different, cytocoelom and enterocoelom. From the echinodermata onwards, all the fishes, all the vertebrates are comes under the enterocoelom because the blastopore was converted into the anus. So here also from the blastula stage a pore is formed. It was a blastopore, and finally that was a precursor for the formation of the coelom. And blastocyst stage means so all the cells are move on to a particular area and the remaining area was completely so occur a space, a greater space is formed. It is blastocoel. Blastocoel and so these are the blastomeres. Blastocele and blastomeres. So in these blastocele and blastomeres, blastocyst stage is an important stage. Why? Because it was a stage, in this stage it was going to be implanted into the mother's uterus. The blastocyst stage of the is mainly the important stage. Why? Because it was going to be implanted inside the mother's uterus. After that only the further developments or occur should be take place inside the embryo. This was mainly organ development. The stem cell forms the stem cells are precursor for the formation of the organs. Finally, organism was developed inside the mother's uterus. So, embryonic stem cell. The meaning is there. Embryonic stem cell therapy. See here. The transgene inserted. So, how the transgene was inserted means it was developed the in vitro method. So, inside the laboratory, the cultured media, so the fusion of a sperm cell was occurred. It was converted to the zygote and it undergoes a number of two-cell stage. Also, in this stage, what happens is this was inserted into a so in vitro fertilization. It was considered as a in vitro fertilization, means artificially the fusion of sperm cell and the ova should be performed artificially in the externally inside the laboratories. Mainly the cultured labs are there and microtiter plates are there inside a specific media is also there. In the inside those media only those sperm cell and the ova artificially going to be fused and the fusion of the ova artificially. First, the mother was female was collected and that was super ovulated, means a number of the ova are greatly increased on those organisms by the effect of that was injected into the hormones. Those are the those hormones or the estrogen levels are injected into the organism. Then the ova are greatly number of ova are released on those organisms and artificially those ova are collected and the sperm cell was collected and the fusion of a sperm cell and the ova performed mainly externally inside the laboratories inside by the in vitro process. So by the effect of those in vitro mechanism, what happens is finally inside the microtiter plates. So those fusion is occurred after got a fusion of sperm cell and ova that leads to cause a zygote. The zygote inside the in vitro fertilization, the zygote also two cell stage is formed. Those are so before conversion of before insertion of these transgene. So that was at the time of transgenic, at the time of performing a transgenic method, instead of these microinjection method, the microinjection method was directly inserted into the female nucleus for the fusion before fusion of the sperm cell in the ova. But here these transgene was inserted after got a fusion of sperm cell with the ova at the time of zygote stage. Only the transgene was inserted. The transgene was inserted. So now the transgene embryo, which was a blastocyst stage of the embryo, was inserted. So inside these transgene was indirectly inserted into the was a blastocyst stage of embryo. So now what happens is the embryo blastocyst stage may contain the number of the stem cells. Number of the stem cells. Why? Because stem cells are those are the germ cells. Germ cells means those are the precursor cells for the formation of the other cells. So it was pancreatic stem cells, liver stem cells, and the skin formation of the skin stem cells, and the formation of the eyes, formation of the nose, formation of the mouth, ears, and the total body organs, and internal organs, external organs. Each and every organ should be possessed, should be formed from a particular precursor of stem cell only. That's why the transgene was inserted into the blastocyst stage. That's why it was considered as embryonic stem cell method. But in micro-injection method, through the insertion of the injection, the transgene was going to be inserted mainly before fusion of sperm cell in the ova. But here, it should be operated after got a fusion of sperm cell with the ova. Those was transgene was inserted, and that was inserted into the blastocyst stage of embryo. So now inside the blastocyst, the transgene characters organism was going to be developed. Those transgene organism was going to be developed means it was performed for only some characters but not the total organism. Only so we want to develop some characters only. So the developed transgenic organism was should be possess the wanted characters means so the higher growth for the so occurring of high growth means growth factor development and also for the drug resistant and also for the disease resistant by that and milk production and also the wool production. So in these different characters only such character gene was inserted. Such characters gene DNA sequence was going to be inserted into the developing embryo or already developed embryo. Those are nothing but that is a variation between the micro-injection method and the embryonic stem cell method. So now the blastocyst stage it may contain stem cells. That's why the stem cell may form the wanted to develop the milk productivity. Then the organism was after appearing of those transgenic organism that should be so give the more amount of the milk than the previous organism, their parents. Why? Because the character of the gene was developed on those organisms. The character was developed. We want to develop some such characters on those organisms. That is the main importance. So that's why it is called as considered as a embryonic stem cell method. In these two methods are included inside the production of transgenic animals. And now the applications. Applications in transgenic mechanism. So what are the applications? What are the usages or there mainly for transgenic animals? It was nothing but inside the transgenic animals are going to be utilized and used mainly for the wanted characters like the till now we are discussed. The wanted characters gene want to develop such characters. So those organisms are considered as a transgenic animals. Means wanted characters genes want to develop such characters on those organisms. Those characters should be developed on those organisms. That is the main and these are mainly helpful for so such type of drugs are going to be prepared. So the drugs are going to be so mainly directly those are not directly so injected or used mainly on the so first experiments are done. Experiments are done with the particular organisms like the mouse is the main organism for the each and every performing of each and every experiment. That was such organism was drugs. Different types of the medicines are available and are going to be so processed for development for the curing of different types of the diseases. That means medicine development. So that's why different types of the medicines are produced. So those after completion of those medicine that was a function or not was mainly going to be experimented on the particular types of the organism. Those experiments are mainly helpful with the help of these transgenic mechanism. So the drugs, different types of the drugs are drug resistancy and also for the cancers or the different diseases are also there. for the curing of those harmful diseases, different types of the medicines are going to be prepared and produced. So those medicines are also going to be functioned with the help of usage of these transgenic methods, and also for the agricultural purpose, also for the crop productivity. So for the production of the crop, so different types of the fields are there, different types of the crops are there. Those are the rice crop or any other wheat or any other cotton, different crops are there available in the purpose of agricultural. Also these transgenic mechanism was very well used and helpful, and the drug resistancy, and also for the medicine resistancy, and the different curing of harmful substances, and the development of the vaccines also. Why? Because such type of vaccines are mainly going to be prepared and usage of such type of these transgenes only. So the foreign DNA was collected and inserted with the help of a plasmid that was helpful to produce different characters, and so those with the help of those characters means the DNA sequence was going to be cured different types of the diseases also. So that's why those are helpful in the for the curing of different types of the medicines for the medicinal purpose, and also for the harmful diseases, and the development of the vaccines also. The vaccine development, after got a preparation of all the each and every vaccine that was first experimented on a smallest organisms. So if the particular organism was survived and cured for the particular disease, then only the vaccines are directly experimented and directly used so with the human beings. And such type of vaccine development also, these transgenic mechanism was very well developed, very well used. So those are the applications and the uses of mainly the mechanism of transgenic and transgenesis method. Of completion of these such transgenic animals are also available. The transgenic pig is there, transgenic goat is there, transgenic sheep, transgenic mouse, transgenic some monkey, that was a rhesus monkey. So different types of the organisms were developed with the help of these transgene, and also the cows, the cow milk. So for the increased production of milk production, so those organisms means the character of the gene which contain the sequence of production of milk. So those such a DNA sequence was going to be inserted into the furtherly another organism. So these are mainly the applications which are helpful for the production of these transgenic animals, and the methods of transgenesis are also involved, and transgenic animals are also helpful. And after completion of these you are having in your syllabus, it was totally about the stem cell therapy. So what are the stem cells, what are the types of stem cells, and what are the usages and means applications are also there in your total syllabus. It was a last and final topic is there, only one topic left. So you want to discuss furtherly. So you want to today's topic was totally about the production of transgenic animals completed. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.